Halo semuanya, pada video kali ini kita berlatih untuk mengartikan apa yang diucapkan orang dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Kita akan mulai dengan kalimat-kalimat yang pendek dan mudah dulu, lalu secara bertahap menuju ke kalimat yang lebih panjang dan kompleks. Kalimat bahasa Inggrisnya akan diucapkan 2 kali, dan cobalah untuk menerjemahkan arti atau maksud dari kalimat tersebut ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Lalu, cocokkanlah jawaban kamu pada akhir setiap kalimat. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
Let me think about it. Let me think about it.
Biarkan aku berpikir tentang hal itu.
Please send my regard. Please send my regard.
Tolong sampaikan salam saya.
I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food.
Saya tidak suka makanan pedas.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Tunggu sebentar.
Where have you been? Where have you been?
Kamu dari mana saja?
Can you pick me up at 7 o'clock? Can you pick me up at 7 o'clock?
Bisakah kamu menjemputku jam 7?
Where do you want to meet? Where do you want to meet?
Di mana kamu ingin bertemu?
Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like a cup of tea?
Apakah kamu mau secangkir teh?
I've been sick for 1 week. I've been sick for 1 week.
Saya sudah sakit selama 1 minggu.
Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink?
Apakah kamu ingin minum?
Go ahead, I'll catch up later. Go ahead, I'll catch up later.
Lanjutkan, aku akan menyusul nanti.
Better late than never. Better late than never.
Lebih baik terlambat daripada tidak sama sekali.
He doesn't care about me. He doesn't care about me.
Dia tidak peduli padaku.
I'm not sure I can do it. I'm not sure I can do it.
Saya tak yakin bisa melakukannya.
What shall we do now? What shall we do now?
Apa yang harus kita lakukan sekarang?
What can I do for you? What can I do for you?
Ada yang bisa saya bantu?
Please give me a hand. Please give me a hand.
Tolong bantu saya.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Jangan risaukan hal itu.
I need to go the restroom. I need to go the restroom.
Saya perlu ke toilet.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Saya pesan secangkir kopi.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Tunggu aku.
I've been working here for 3 years. I've been working here for 3 years.
Saya sudah bekerja di sini selama 3 tahun.
I would rather stay at home. I would rather stay at home.
Saya lebih suka tinggal di rumah.
Do you need a hand? Do you need a hand?
Apakah kamu butuh bantuan?
Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it.
Jangan tertipu.
How have you been? How have you been?
Bagaimana kabarmu?
I'm doing well. I'm doing well.
Saya baik-baik saja.
Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally.
Jangan tersinggung.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
Saya tidak tertarik.
I like it very much. I like it very much.
Saya sangat suka itu.
Have you visited Bali before? Have you visited Bali before?
Sudahkah kamu pernah mengunjungi Bali sebelumnya?
They are planning a trip to Japan next summer. They are planning a trip to Japan next summer.
Mereka sedang merencanakan perjalanan ke Jepang musim panas depan.
English can be challenging, but I enjoy it. English can be challenging, but I enjoy it.
Bahasa Inggris memang menantang, tetapi saya menikmatinya.
My favorite food is chicken sauté. My favorite food is chicken sauté.
Makanan favorit saya adalah sate ayam.
In my free time, I read magazines. In my free time, I read magazines.
Di waktu luang saya membaca majalah.
Yes, I have been to Singapore. Yes, I have been to Singapore.
Ya, saya pernah ke Singapura.
I enjoy playing basketball. I enjoy playing basketball.
Saya senang bermain bola basket.
No, I have never ridden a horse. No, I have never ridden a horse.
Tidak, saya belum pernah menunggang kuda.
I usually eat cereal or toast for breakfast. I usually eat cereal or toast for breakfast.
Biasanya, saya makan sereal atau roti panggang untuk sarapan.
Yesterday, I went to the park with my friends. Yesterday, I went to the park with my friends.
Kemarin, saya pergi ke taman dengan teman-teman saya.
I will never forget it. I will never forget it.
Aku tidak akan pernah melupakannya.
I don't know anyone here. I don't know anyone here.
Aku tak mengenal siapapun di sini.
That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen.
Itu tidak akan terjadi.
I moved here 2 months ago. I moved here 2 months ago.
Saya pindah ke sini 2 bulan yang lalu.
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Bisakah kamu melihatnya?
I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that.
Saya senang mendengarnya.
How much is it? How much is it?
Berapa harganya?
Being a mother is not easy. Being a mother is not easy.
Menjadi seorang ibu tidaklah mudah.
Let's have lunch together. Let's have lunch together.
Mari kita makan siang bersama.
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
Bisakah saya menanyakan sesuatu kepadamu?
I need a few minutes nap. I need a few minutes nap.
Saya butuh tidur siang beberapa menit.
You can call me anytime. You can call me anytime.
Kamu bisa panggil saya kapanpun.
I'll leave it up to you. I'll leave it up to you.
Aku akan menyerahkannya padamu.
I don't remember. I don't remember.
Saya tidak ingat.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Saya tidak tahu harus berbuat apa.
I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before.
Saya belum pernah lihat itu sebelumnya.
I have nothing to worry about. I have nothing to worry about.
Tidak ada yang saya khawatirkan.
Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me?
Apakah kamu ikut denganku?
I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating.
Saya sedang tidak ingin makan.
That's an interesting idea. That's an interesting idea.
Itu ide yang menarik.
Maybe another time. Maybe another time.
Mungkin lain kali.
Don't do it again, please. Don't do it again, please.
Tolong jangan lakukan itu lagi.
What happened to you? What happened to you?
Apa yang terjadi padamu?
Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you.
Maaf mengganggu Anda.
Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand?
Bisa tolong bantu saya?
It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake.
Sangat mudah.
This way, please. This way, please.
Silahkan lewat sini.
Can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret?
Bisakah kamu menyimpan rahasia?
What's on your mind? What's on your mind?
Apa yang ada di pikiranmu?
Do you have any objection? Do you have any objection?
Apakah kamu punya keberatan?
My favorite subject in school is science. My favorite subject in school is science.
Mata pelajaran favorit saya di sekolah adalah ilmu pengetahuan.
You can find a good cup of coffee at the cafe downtown. You can find a good cup of coffee at the cafe downtown.
Anda bisa menemukan secangkir kopi yang enak di kafe di pusat kota.
You can buy souvenirs at the gift shop near the museum. You can buy souvenirs at the gift shop near the museum.
Anda bisa membeli souvenir di toko oleh-oleh dekat museum.
The nearest train station is 2 blocks away. The nearest train station is 2 blocks away.
Stasiun kereta api terdekat berjarak 2 blok dari sini.
You can go for a walk in the park nearby. You can go for a walk in the park nearby.
Anda bisa pergi jalan-jalan di taman di dekat sini.
The deadline for submitting the assignment is next Friday. The deadline for submitting the assignment is next Friday.
Batas waktu pengumpulan tugas adalah Jumat depan.
There was heavy traffic on the way. There was heavy traffic on the way.
Ada kemacetan parah di jalan.
I'm afraid of spiders because of their appearance. I'm afraid of spiders because of their appearance.
Saya takut pada laba-laba karena penampilan mereka.
I choose to focus on the bright side of things. I choose to focus on the bright side of things.
Saya memilih untuk fokus pada sisi baik dari segala hal.
You should exercise regularly and do balanced diet. You should exercise regularly and do balanced diet.
Anda sebaiknya berolahraga secara teratur dan menerapkan pola makan seimbang.
Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think.
Ceritakan apa yang kamu pikirkan.
You look sad. Are you all right? You look sad. Are you all right?
Kamu terlihat sedih. Apakah kamu baik-baik saja?
You seem annoyed. What happened? You seem annoyed. What happened?
Kamu terlihat kesal, ada apa?
I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it.
Aku tidak ingin membicarakannya.
How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting?
Sudah berapa lama kamu menunggu?
Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here?
Apakah ini yang pertama kali kamu ke sini?
I'm not sure either. I'm not sure either.
Saya juga tidak yakin.
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Saya baik-baik saja, terima kasih sudah bertanya.
You won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed.
Kamu tidak akan kecewa.
We'll catch up later. We'll catch up later.
Kita akan mengobrol nanti.
Don't overwork yourself. Don't overwork yourself.
Jangan memaksakan diri.
Thanks for coming over. Thanks for coming over.
Terima kasih sudah datang.
Let me know how it ends. Let me know how it ends.
Beritahu saya bagaimana akhirnya.
It's a dream come true. It's a dream come true.
Ini adalah impian yang menjadi kenyataan.
Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know.
Terima kasih sudah memberitahu saya.
It caught my eye. It caught my eye.
Itu menarik perhatian saya.
It's making me hungry. It's making me hungry.
Itu membuatku lapar.
Let's gather at the park. Let's gather at the park.
Ayo berkumpul di taman.
They adopted a stray cat. They adopted a stray cat.
Mereka mengadopsi seekor kucing liar.
It's important to safeguard your belongings. It's important to safeguard your belongings.
Penting untuk menjaga barang-barang Anda.
You can take classes or using language learning apps. You can take classes or using language learning apps.
Anda bisa mengikuti kelas atau menggunakan aplikasi pembelajaran bahasa.
Dress professionally, research the company, and showcase your skills. Dress professionally, research the company, and showcase your skills.
Berpakaianlah secara profesional, teliti perusahaan, dan tunjukkan keterampilan Anda.
You can start by cutting unnecessary expenses. You can start by cutting unnecessary expenses.
Anda bisa memulainya dengan memotong pengeluaran yang tidak perlu.
Practice empathy, kindness, and self-reflection regularly. Practice empathy, kindness, and self-reflection regularly.
Latihlah empati, kebaikan, dan introspeksi diri secara teratur.
John is responsible for this project. John is responsible for this project.
John bertanggung jawab atas proyek ini.
The next president will be elected next year. The next president will be elected next year.
Presiden berikutnya akan dipilih tahun depan.
I intend to visit my parents this weekend. I intend to visit my parents this weekend.
Saya bermaksud mengunjungi orang tua saya akhir pekan ini.
Apply sunscreen before going to the beach. Apply sunscreen before going to the beach.
Pakailah tabir surya sebelum pergi ke pantai.
The government earmarked funds for education. The government earmarked funds for education.
Pemerintah menyediakan dana untuk pendidikan.
The company will ship the products tomorrow. The company will ship the products tomorrow.
Perusahaan akan mengirimkan produk besok.
Do you have something to eat? Do you have something to eat?
Apa kamu punya sesuatu yang bisa dimakan?
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
Di mana kamar mandinya?
Do we know each other? Do we know each other?
Apakah kita saling kenal?
What you said was quite true. What you said was quite true.
Apa yang kamu katakan memang benar.
It's not as easy as you think. It's not as easy as you think.
Ini tidak semudah yang kamu pikirkan.
You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
Kamu tahu apa yang sedang aku bicarakan.
I really need to lose some weight. I really need to lose some weight.
Aku benar-benar ingin kurus.
I'll take you there. I'll take you there.
Aku akan mengantarmu.
Have you ever been there? Have you ever been there?
Apakah kamu pernah ke sana?
How about going fishing this weekend? How about going fishing this weekend?
Bagaimana kalau pergi memancing akhir pekan ini?
I enjoy watching movies, especially comedies. I enjoy watching movies, especially comedies.
Saya menikmati menonton film, terutama komedi.
My favorite movie is Transformers. My favorite movie is Transformers.
Film favorit saya adalah Transformers.
I enjoy cooking, especially trying new recipes. I enjoy cooking, especially trying new recipes.
Saya menikmati memasak, terutama mencoba resep-resep baru.
My favorite place in my city is the Botanical Garden. My favorite place in my city is the Botanical Garden.
Tempat favorit saya di kota saya adalah Taman Botani.
I can sing a song in English. I can sing a song in English.
Saya bisa menyanyikan lagu dalam bahasa Inggris.
I have been on several road trips across the country. I have been on several road trips across the country.
Saya pernah melakukan beberapa perjalanan darat lintas negara.
My favorite holiday is Eid homecoming tradition. My favorite holiday is Eid homecoming tradition.
Liburan favorit saya adalah tradisi mudik saat Idul Fitri.
My ideal weekend is relaxing at home. My ideal weekend is relaxing at home.
Akhir pekan ideal saya adalah bersantai di rumah.
I find watching sunsets very calming. I find watching sunsets very calming.
Saya merasa menyaksikan matahari terbenam sangat menenangkan.
I've been to a planetarium before. I've been to a planetarium before.
Saya pernah ke planetarium sebelumnya.
I enjoy cooking and having meals together. I enjoy cooking and having meals together.
Saya menikmati memasak dan makan bersama.
I love sunny weather with a gentle breeze. I love sunny weather with a gentle breeze.
Saya suka cuaca cerah dengan angin sepoi-sepoi yang lembut.
I find art galleries very inspiring. I find art galleries very inspiring.
Saya merasa galeri seni sangat menginspirasi.
I enjoy taking a hot bath and reading a book. I enjoy taking a hot bath and reading a book.
Saya menikmati mandi air panas dan membaca buku.
I love reading Japanese manga series. I love reading Japanese manga series.
Saya suka membaca seri manga Jepang.
My ideal weekend getaway involves camping in the mountains. My ideal weekend getaway involves camping in the mountains.
Liburan akhir pekan ideal saya adalah berkemah di pegunungan.
It takes about 30 minutes to get to the airport. It takes about 30 minutes to get to the airport.
Butuh sekitar 30 menit untuk sampai ke bandara.
You can help me by providing directions. You can help me by providing directions.
Anda bisa membantu saya dengan memberikan petunjuk arah.
The best way to get to the city center is by taking the subway. The best way to get to the city center is by taking the subway.
Cara terbaik untuk sampai ke pusat kota adalah dengan naik kereta bawah tanah.
The difference between these two products is their size. The difference between these two products is their size.
Perbedaan antara dua produk ini adalah ukurannya.
We're going up the mountain. We're going up the mountain.
Kami menaiki gunung itu.
They climb the stairs to the top. They climb the stairs to the top.
Mereka mendaki tangga ke atas.
It's important to utilize resources efficiently. It's important to utilize resources efficiently.
Penting untuk memanfaatkan sumber daya secara efisien.
They employ new technology in their business. They employ new technology in their business.
Mereka menggunakan teknologi baru dalam bisnis mereka.
These rules apply to everyone. These rules apply to everyone.
Aturan-aturan ini berlaku untuk semua orang.
The reception was held in the hotel ballroom. The reception was held in the hotel ballroom.
Resepsi diadakan di ruang resepsi hotel.
Her acceptance of the offer was immediate. Her acceptance of the offer was immediate.
Penerimaannya terhadap tawaran itu langsung terjadi.
Please give me the receipt for the payment. Please give me the receipt for the payment.
Tolong berikan saya tanda terima untuk pembayarannya.
His admission to the university was confirmed. His admission to the university was confirmed.
Penerimaannya di universitas itu sudah dikonfirmasi.
Enrollment for the course starts next week. Enrollment for the course starts next week.
Pendaftaran untuk kursus itu dimulai minggu depan.
The violin is a beautiful instrument. The violin is a beautiful instrument.
Biola adalah instrumen yang indah.
Becoming a better person requires self-reflection. Becoming a better person requires self-reflection.
Menjadi pribadi yang lebih baik memerlukan introspeksi diri.
Take care of your things to make them last longer. Take care of your things to make them last longer.
Jaga barang-barangmu agar bisa bertahan lebih lama.
She wrote an article about her travels abroad. She wrote an article about her travels abroad.
Dia menulis artikel tentang perjalanannya ke luar negeri.
The entity operates independently from other organizations. The entity operates independently from other organizations.
Entitas itu beroperasi secara independen dari organisasi lain.
Financial matters should be handled with care. Financial matters should be handled with care.
Urusan keuangan harus ditangani dengan hati-hati.
The forest is home to various creatures. The forest is home to various creatures.
Hutan ini adalah tempat tinggal berbagai makhluk.
Being kind to others is important. Being kind to others is important.
Perbuatan baik kepada orang lain itu penting.
Many believe in the existence of the soul. Many believe in the existence of the soul.
Banyak yang percaya pada keberadaan jiwa.
It's a rare occasion to see them together. It's a rare occasion to see them together.
Kesempatan untuk melihat mereka bersama adalah hal yang langka.
She told me an interesting story about her travels. She told me an interesting story about her travels.
Dia bercerita kepada saya kisah yang menarik tentang perjalanannya.
Grandma often shares tales from her childhood. Grandma often shares tales from her childhood.
Nenek sering berbagi kisah-kisah dari masa kecilnya.
He's a talented man with many skills. He's a talented man with many skills.
Dia adalah pria berbakat dengan banyak keahlian.
That guy over there looks familiar. That guy over there looks familiar.
Pria di sana terlihat familiar.
Each individual has unique characteristics. Each individual has unique characteristics.
Setiap individu memiliki karakteristik yang unik.
Medication is necessary to manage the symptoms. Medication is necessary to manage the symptoms.
Pengobatan diperlukan untuk mengelola gejalanya.
Waiting for the bus can be tiresome. Waiting for the bus can be tiresome.
Menunggu bus bisa melelahkan.
Fulfillment of customer orders is our top priority. Fulfillment of customer orders is our top priority.
Pemenuhan pesanan pelanggan adalah prioritas utama kami.
Processing the data will take some time. Processing the data will take some time.
Pengolahan data akan membutuhkan waktu.
Regular exercise improves fitness levels. Regular exercise improves fitness levels.
Olahraga secara teratur meningkatkan tingkat kebugaran.
I'd like to make a reservation, please. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Saya ingin membuat reservasi.
I don't want to see him now. I don't want to see him now.
Saya tidak ingin menemuinya saat ini.
Are you scared? Are you scared?
Apakah kamu takut?
Where do you work? Where do you work?
Kamu kerja di mana?
I work in a hospital. I work in a hospital.
Aku bekerja di rumah sakit.
He has a sense of humor. He has a sense of humor.
Dia punya selera humor.
Why did you stay at home? Why did you stay at home?
Kenapa kamu tinggal di rumah saja?
Is there anything else? Is there anything else?
Apa ada yang lainnya?
Thanks for visiting. Thanks for visiting.
Terima kasih atas kunjungannya.
Which one would you prefer? Which one would you prefer?
Kamu lebih suka yang mana?
Face your fears gradually and seek support from others. Face your fears gradually and seek support from others.
Hadapi ketakutan Anda secara bertahap dan cari dukungan dari orang lain.
Set specific goals and work hard towards them. Set specific goals and work hard towards them.
Tetapkan tujuan-tujuan spesifik dan kerja keras untuk mencapainya.
Focus on gratitude, relationships, and personal growth. Focus on gratitude, relationships, and personal growth.
Fokus pada rasa syukur, hubungan, dan pertumbuhan pribadi.
Contribute to causes you believe in and practice kindness. Contribute to causes you believe in and practice kindness.
Berkontribusilah pada hal yang Anda yakini dan praktikkan kebaikan.
The owner of this company is Mr. John. The owner of this company is Mr. John.
Pemilik perusahaan ini adalah Pak John.
That girl talking to my friend is Sarah. That girl talking to my friend is Sarah.
Gadis yang sedang berbicara dengan teman saya adalah Sarah.
The driver of the other car is to blame for the accident. The driver of the other car is to blame for the accident.
Pengemudi mobil lain yang bertanggung jawab atas kecelakaan itu.
The best way to get to the airport is by taxi. The best way to get to the airport is by taxi.
Cara terbaik untuk sampai ke bandara adalah dengan taksi.
Dogs are more loyal, while cats are more independent. Dogs are more loyal, while cats are more independent.
Anjing lebih setia, sedangkan kucing lebih mandiri.
The purpose of life is subjective and varies for each individual. The purpose of life is subjective and varies for each individual.
Tujuan hidup bersifat subjektif dan bervariasi untuk setiap individu.
Please forward the email to the relevant department. Please forward the email to the relevant department.
Tolong untuk meneruskan email ini ke departemen terkait.
Hand over the documents to the receptionist. Hand over the documents to the receptionist.
Serahkan dokumennya kepada resepsionis.
Give your best in everything you do. Give your best in everything you do.
Beri yang terbaik dalam semua hal yang kamu lakukan.
The courier will deliver the package tomorrow. The courier will deliver the package tomorrow.
Kurir akan mengantarkan paket besok.
She passed her driving test on the first try. She passed her driving test on the first try.
Dia lulus ujian mengemudi pada percobaan pertama.
Express delivery is available for urgent packages. Express delivery is available for urgent packages.
Pengiriman cepat tersedia untuk paket-paket yang mendesak.
Please don't waste food, donate it to those in need. Please don't waste food, donate it to those in need.
Tolong jangan membuang makanan, sumbangkan kepada yang membutuhkan.
Dispose of hazardous materials properly. Dispose of hazardous materials properly.
Buanglah bahan berbahaya dengan benar.
Throw away the empty bottles in the recycling bin. Throw away the empty bottles in the recycling bin.
Buang botol-botol kosong ke tempat sampah daur ulang.
This region is known for its rich cultural heritage. This region is known for its rich cultural heritage.
Wilayah ini terkenal dengan warisan budayanya yang kaya.